Here's the simplest way to describe a project in media for any business that has an app. Start by creating a mind map to visualize the connections between different sections. This approach ensures that every aspect of your project is clear and organized. We have 6 units. AI-based customer support includes integration, AI system development, employee training on the AI system, promotion of the new AI support, and beta testing. With Layer, you can change colors and add emojis for emphasis. Data security enhancement involves implementing 2-factor authentication, announcing security enhancements, conducting a security audit, and providing security training for staff. Add notes to tasks to describe them in more detail. New app launch. DevApp Wireframe focuses on app functionality coding, beta testing, post-launch user support planning, and developing a marketing and launch strategy. Duplicate branches to speed up your workflow and add tasks to a folder to make them invisible. Website redesign involves writing website copy, testing website functionality, and conducting a website audit. Set statuses for tasks. Add comments to tasks. Team describes the structure and distribution of tasks, assigning responsibilities, and setting deadlines. Click on the eye icon to focus on a single task. When everything is ready, send it by email. Using a mind map, you can easily manage and communicate the project details. Assign tasks, track progress, and make adjustments as needed. This visual tool helps keep everyone on the same page. By breaking down your project into clear, manageable sections, you can ensure nothing is overlooked. This method is effective for any business looking to succeed in media. Subscribe to avoid missing more helpful templates.